morning, children. So as you have listened the song, so can you tell me which sound we are about to learn? Yes, we are learning about the B sound. Which sound? B sound. Say with me. B sound. B. B. Do the action. B. Action is you need to pretend to hit the ball with the bat. Okay, so B. So we are learning the new phonics sound, that is B sound. Which sound? B sound. Okay, so you can see the pictures here. We will see this later. First we will do the phonics song with the action. Okay, so the action is, I've told you, you need to pretend to hit the ball with the bat. Okay, so B. B. Do with me. B. B. So in the song you need to do like this. Okay, so I will play this song and we will do the action together. Okay.
Bring your bat and bring your ball. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play.
So kids, did you got the song? So let me tell you the words and then we will do the action together again. Okay, so the action is bring your bat and bring your ball. Okay, bring your bat and bring your ball. Okay, say with me. Bring your bat and bring your ball. B. B. So let me tell you again. Bring your bat and bring your ball. B. B. And then bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. Okay, to the park to play. So now let's do the action and the phonics sound again.
Bring your bat and bring your ball. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play.
Again.
Bring your bat and bring your ball. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play.
So this was the phonics song of the B sound. Okay, so now let's read out the vocabulary words. Okay, here. So these are the vocabulary words of the B sound. Okay, so what is this, children? Yes, good job. It's a bird. Do you see birds near your house, on the trees, flying? Yes. So this is a bird. Bird. Say with me. Bird. Bird. What is this? Bee. 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 Have you seen bee? Yes. What do they make? They make honey. Very good. Bee. What is this? Yes, it's a balloon, balloon, balloon. Good job. And what is this? It's a fruit. Yes, it's a banana. 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 Good job. And here, what is this? Yes, good job. Butterfly. Butterfly. Have you seen butterflies? Yes? Good. Butterfly. Butterfly. And here the last one. It's a bell. Bell. Have you seen bells? Yes. It makes the sound tan 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 tan, no? So, bell. Say with me. Bell. Good job. So these are the pictures related to the b sound. Okay. So now we will listen the story of the b sound. But before that, let's learn the formation by air tracing. Okay. So for this, what you need? You need a index finger. You need to take your index finger out and then you need to trace along with me. Okay. So trace standing line. Do with me. Standing line. Curve to the right. Again. Standing line. Curve to the right. Once more. Standing line. Curve to the right. Standing line. Curve to the right. Good job. So now we will listen the story of the b sound.
One fine morning, a grandmother and a grandson were sitting in a park in a bench. They were having a good time. So the boy saw his friend playing with the ball and a bat. So he also went to play with him. And they were playing together and they were hitting the ball so hard that it was making the sound b. B. So now kids, this is the Phonics People Book 1. You need to take this book out, okay? For the homework, you need to turn on to the page number 19. And here what you need to do is, you need to color the picture. So here we have the b sound and the action is pretend to hit a ball with a bat and make the sound b. So we will color the picture and then we will trace and write the b and all the other sounds. So let's color the picture. So you can see children here, I have colored the picture. You can color your picture in your own colors, whichever color you want. I've taken here brown, yellow and blue. So now we will trace and write the b sound on the dots and then without dots. So here they have given the formation. So the standing line and the curve to the right. So let's start. Standing line, curve to the right. standing line, curve to the right, standing line, curve to the right. So this is on the dots, and now I will tell you without dots. So standing line and the curve to the right. Standing line, curve to the right. Standing line and the curve to the right. So in the same way you will write the B sound in your textbook. Now we will write the previous sounds that we have already done. So here what you need to do is you need to trace the sound on the dots first and then without dots. So remember that the curve will come to the left and B curve will come to the right. So first you will trace on the dots and then without dot. So you will do this work in the same way. So thank you for watching. Bye bye kids.